Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Here's a tutorial on how to find the length of a string in Python, along with a code example. In Python, you can find the length of a string using the built-in len function. This function returns the number of characters in a given string, including spaces and special characters. The len function is a built-in function in Python that can be used to find the length of various data types, including strings. It takes a sequence as an argument and returns the number of elements in that sequence. To find the length of a string, you simply pass the string as an argument to the len function. Here's a basic example. In this example, the string hello world is assigned to the variable my_string, and then the len function is used to find its length. The result is stored in the variable length, and the length is printed to the console. It's important to note that the len function also works with empty strings. If you pass an empty string to the function, it will return 0. Here's an example. In this example, an empty string is assigned to the variable empty_string, and the length is calculated using the len function. Let's consider a real-life scenario where you might need to find the length of a user-entered string. In this example, the input function is used to get a string from the user. The len function is then applied to find the length of the user-entered string. The len function is a handy tool for quickly determining the length of a string in Python. It's a simple and straightforward function that can be applied to various scenarios where knowing the length of a string is essential. Feel free to experiment with different strings and scenarios to become more familiar with using the len function in your Python projects. ChatGPT